Hey guys, so today I have a tasty recipe that's perfect for summer, and I love drinking chilled coffee drinks in the afternoon, and this recipe is quick and easy to do, so let's go ahead and get into it.
One of the ingredients I'm going to be using in this video is from Nova, and it's their hydrolyzed collagen. And did you know there are a ton of benefits with using collagen in your drink and food recipes? Your skin and hair will look healthier. Collagen peptides improve the elasticity of your skin cartilage and hair, so that gives you that youthful, healthy look. Plus, it strengthens your bones and supports joint health. Added collagen helps reduce and reverse collagen depletion that occurs as we age. I also like this because it's gentle on the stomach and effectively digested. Nova's formula is designed to give you the most bang for your buck without discomfort. You can also mix this into your beverages and food of choice. It's a flavorless powder and you can add it to any soups, shakes, drinks, and that'll give you a boost of important nutrition quickly and easily. This is also carb-free, fat-free, keto, and paleo-friendly. And here I'm adding it to my morning cup of coffee. This is what I've been doing every morning, and I really like this, just adding it with a little bit of sugar and a little bit of creamer. And there's also a giveaway for this collagen, so check out the description bar below. But getting into this recipe, you'll need 1 scoop of collagen, 1 cup of coffee, half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, and also 9 ice cubes. And I just put 4 in at the moment, and then I blended it up, and then added 5 more, and then blended it again. And this is what you'll get. I really love the foam on top. And for a topping, I'm going to use some more chocolate syrup, and you could also add whipped cream, then the chocolate syrup if you want to. It's optional. But this is what it looks like, and again, this is really tasty and delicious, and this is really quick and easy to do.
Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Give this video a thumbs up and definitely subscribe because I put out new videos every week. And definitely try out this collagen because I've been liking it, and this has honestly just been sitting by my coffee maker. I use this every day, so definitely check it out if you're interested. I'll put a link down below in the description bar. But yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, bye!